Today we have a very quick and easy face painting tutorial with Simone, and today she is creating these bats. So if you want to know how, please keep watching. First up we create the moon, and this is done with the white face paint by Diamond Effects. It is the Essential White, and Simone has that on one of her own brushes by FBFX, the Simone number 2. Then we continue to the split cake we are using today. It is called Punk and it is by Diamond Effects. And as you can see, the colors are really beautiful for any Halloween look. And once that basic stripe is on there, Simone is here creating one of the bats. So the bats are created with Diamond Effects Essential Black, and she just has a detail brush to put them on the skin. And as you can see, the bat is kind of a teardrop, and then with some lines Simone creates the wings. And once you have the outline on the skin, you can just basically fill them out in black and you have a lovely bat face painted on a cheek. So, and we're just gonna do that again, but then over the moon. And the second bat is just created the same way. Create that teardrop shape and then those wings, color them in black entirely, and you have a bat. To finish off this look, we are putting in some curls and swirls. A few dots with white face paint. Of course, some stars. A few black dots as well. Highlights on the bats. And with a lovely pink lipstick, our bat makeup tutorial for today is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. We have a new video every day till Halloween, so definitely stay tuned.